What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Let's grab a comfortable mouse. If you're watching my channel, I'm always looking for more ergonomic technology to make kind of working on a computer all day long even more comfortable. And I picked up an Ergo mouse, and it's kind of cool, but it's actually been really hard for me to get used to it because it's so vertical. And one of the things that I thought about was, it'd be nice almost if the mouse, the Ergo mouse that I had, was kind of just like my regular mouse, but maybe just a little angled, kind of more of a in-between, kind of an incremental Ergo setup for me. It's just a little hard when you're using a mouse like this for so long, and then when you put your hand like this to kind of get that feeling of moving around a mouse like a joystick. Now, I'm sure you'll get used to it with a little time, but I just thought this one was kind of interesting and really inexpensive. So what we have here is a wired mouse. I really like the wired mice, especially for work situations. I don't mind the cord. It's a USB. It plugs into just about everything, but then I don't have to worry about batteries or anything like that. Now, what really interested me about this was when I was looking at the pictures, it looks just like a regular mouse, and actually it kind of looks a little bit like a mini mouse here. Not the character, just a size. And it's kind of nice that this is all kind of a matte finish, kind of a little bit of a soft touch plastic. You can see here we have one of those select buttons and the scroll wheel here. This is rubberized, and you can see it's got little traction slits on it. And then very soft click. You can hear them, but soft click. They feel good though. And then you have your forward back buttons here on the thumb. And so if you looked at this like a regular mouse, it's going to feel good in your hand, but it's kind of raised up at a 45-degree angle. So I think this is going to feel a little bit better, and it's going to feel a lot more natural than something even more vertically aligned. And you can see here then, not only is it kind of 45 degrees, but you have a nice indentation here for your thumb, and even a little bit of a ledge here, so it'll rest in kind of the right place. And I almost wouldn't mind kind of a deeper or more pronounced flange on the bottom, so that my thumb, especially if you're just kind of letting it go, will not just drag on the table like this. But that's okay. I mean, I like that, but I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't mind even a little more of a flange, a thumb rest kind of on that side. And I will say that this seems like it's going to be quite a bit more comfortable. I'm actually really liking it, and the soft clicks. I will say, you can see here, it's not super big. It's not small like a mini mouse, but you can see here my whole palm is going to kind of drag on the table. One of the nice things about that taller mouse, Ergo mouse, is it had a little flange, kind of a trail or a train kind of sticking off the bottom here, and so your whole hand rested on that and would move around and glide around your desk. You can see we have four little pads here, and then the laser right there. As you can see, jelly comb. So pretty cool. I like this. This is pretty nice. I'm going to use it. I'm pretty impressed with it. It definitely looks like it's kind of the type of product that I have been looking for. And, and so far, it just seems, I can see this being a really, really natural upgrade for me. I will put a link to this bad boy in the description if you want to pick one up. Peter von Panda, out.